Let's see how a binary search would work with this products table down here. Let's say we're looking for sausage rolls. So we want to find sausage rolls. First, we'll note that to do a binary search, the array or the elements that we're searching through must be sorted in ascending from smallest to largest. If they're not numbers and we're working with words here, then obviously they're going to go by the alphabetical order. And as you can see, these have been ordered in alphabetical order. You might be thinking, hey, hang on, I've just highlighted 3 H's. How do you order the 3 H's? So it's easy. You go to the next character. So there's a H, then the A, O, O. So obviously A is going to come before the 2 O's, and then we've got the 2 O's, and these 2 T's are going to be in the same spot. So how do we differentiate between these two? The C and the D. So A, B, C, D. So it's going to be the C and the D, which order those 2 in their right positions. So we know that this is sorted. How a binary works is we go down the middle. So how many elements altogether? There is 7 elements. So we'll go to the 3rd element. We'll take this one out. This is going to be our middle. And we are going to see where sausage rolls fits in terms of should it be more or less than this hot chips or H? Does S come in the alphabet before H or after H? We know that S becomes after H in the alphabet, so it must mean that we will need to then, our next comparison will need to be with the right side of this midpoint, and we can scrap these. We can chuck them out. We don't even have to look at them. Next comparison will be the midpoint again of this. So there's 3 elements, so we'll go for the 2nd element in the middle, and there it is. We've found it in 2 steps. If sausage roll, so let's say we were looking for tacos. Let's just change this, tacos. We would do the same thing. Is tacos or T more or less than S? And if it was tacos, then obviously it comes after S, so we would then be able to scrap whatever it was to the left of this midpoint here. And then our next comparison would be tacos and tacos, and we found it. Binary makes a little bit more sense when there's a lot more, like, hundreds or even a million elements in an array, because it halves it every time, and it ignores what's larger or what's less than that element the value that we're searching for. It saves us exponential time because we halve the list every time we make a comparison until we find the actual one. But the downside, it needs to be sorted in ascending order from smallest to largest.